The strategic advantage of whiteboard walls. Modernizing campus infrastructure for long-term value. Every year, schools pour thousands of dollars into replacing broken, ghosted whiteboards. Boards that stain, crack, and fail within just 3 to 5 years. The hidden costs of traditional classroom hardware are quietly draining your maintenance budget and holding your campus back. By applying premium whiteboard paint directly to your existing drywall, your entire classroom becomes a seamless, writable surface. No hardware, no mounting, no limits. Every wall becomes an instructional asset that lasts over a decade. When students can write, map, and collaborate across an entire room, learning transforms. Anxiety drops. From kinesthetic learners to neurodiverse students, whiteboard walls support every mind, making your classroom truly inclusive and dynamic. And the numbers speak for themselves. Lower installation costs, zero recurring hardware expenses, and a surface that enhances your campus prestige for donors, parents, and faculty alike. Whiteboard walls aren't just a facility upgrade. They're your smartest long-term investment in student success. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.